Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Hello everyone and welcome back. Welcome to the Croatia vlog. Croatia is one of the beautiful European countries with stunning coastal towns, historical sites, mesmerizing caves, waterfalls and many more. We visited there for 4 days during Easter break. We landed in Split, Croatia on Easter Sunday and most of the places were closed. We also wanted to chill and spend some time in the hotel, due to which we booked this stunning place, that's Radisson Blu Hotel, to experience its luxurious facilities. Not only the hotel room was beautiful, but also the attached private garden. The view from the garden was just amazing. Being in a seaside hotel, just walk down to a sea beach and spend some quality time there.
Are you happy?
In the evening, tried exploring Split Riva area for some time and enjoyed the mesmerizing sunset followed by an Indian dinner. Our second day in Croatia started with a delicious breakfast platter served in the hotel. There were lots of options for vegetarian people as well.
Our hearts beat.
Made a refreshing herbal tea after the breakfast. In our Indian language we can call it as kada. Most of this day we spent in exploring the city Split. This is a beautiful city with lots of historical places. Situated on the shore of Adriatic Sea, Split is the largest city on Croatian coast. We covered most of the famous places in this city on this particular day. This is Diocletian's Palace in Split. This is an ancient palace built for the Roman Emperor. There is no entry fee for this palace and situated in a walkable distance from the heart of the city. Near to this palace there is a park in which stands an 8.5 meter tall statue of Gregory of Nin. He was a Croatian Catholic prelate. Rubbing the statue's toe is believed there to bring good luck. There was some beautiful Easter decoration in that park. Though all the places in the city is almost in walkable distance, but there is another place which is called Klis Fortress where we need to drive. Taxis are available here in a very affordable price. So after a few minutes of drive from Riva, we reached here in Klis Fortress. This is a fort situated above the village Klis near Split. The ticket price to enter here is quite affordable and its opening hours are 9 am to 5 pm, but may vary depending upon the season. If you are a Game of Thrones fan, then Klis Fortress is a must-visit place. Carry a water bottle if visiting in summer, and try not to bring a pram or stroller for the baby as it is difficult to climb up. On our way back, we visited to Mariam Forest Park, which is a hillside park with a viewpoint, zoo, etc. After climbing up, the view of the city was amazing, which again makes the place worth visiting. By the time we reached, it was 5 pm already and the zoo was closed. The uphill and downhill walk in the nature was amazing. The last location of the day was Zezina Beach, before we call it a day. The beach was so beautiful. There was no crowd at all. Maybe the weather was not so good, or the travel season has not fully started. On this particular day when we visited, it was so windy, but still we didn't miss a chance to sit and enjoy the amazing beauty of nature for some time.
We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
This was our third day in Croatia and we had booked a trip to an amazing place which you can see further in the video. For that, we had to travel by bus for around 1 hour and 20 minutes from Split and we reached Skradin. In the morning while having breakfast, weather was not so good, but later in the day it became better.
We are going to waterfall. It's beautiful outside, but today is rainy weather.
This bus trip was also very good because of the beautiful landscape and number of tunnels we crossed. Name of this place is Skradin, where we got down from the bus. From Skradin, boarded the boat and travelled on water for about 30 minutes, surrounded by beautiful scenery. The bus and the boat, everything we planned and booked it earlier online. We were going to the Krka National Park. If you are in and around Split, then this place is a must-visit place. The combination of beautiful nature, lovely weather and a boat ride, everything was just amazing.
Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be.
This is Krka National Park. This national park is named after Krka River. There is a waterfall with the same name as Krka Waterfall and this is exceptionally beautiful place. While planning a trip to Croatia, this Krka National Park is definitely something to be on the top of the list. This is home to many hiking trails, walking trails, lakes, jaw-dropping waterfalls, etc. This is Krka River flowing as number of waterfalls here.
Wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Hi. Thank you, baby.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky just to.
There are food stalls at the entrance, but being travel with a child, we always carry a bottle of hot water and a pack of ready-made upma or poha. The little one enjoyed that as he was super hungry after a long walk, and also having lunch with an amazing view felt like a picnic to him.
As the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top.
Walking on this amazing walking trail surrounded by water and greenery is once in a lifetime experience. One can spend hours here without getting bored. I enjoyed this walking trail the most. In fact, we all enjoyed this walk a lot.
The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
This is a 400-year-old white mulberry tree.
Wild, never sleep, never stop.
Near the entrance, there are souvenir shops and some stalls for food. After few hours, it was time to go back via same route. That's why first boat and then by bus. And we were back to Split.
Running wild. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Had a delicious dinner in the one and only Indian restaurant available in Split and called it a day.
As the chemicals they take us higher. The night
This was fourth and last day of our Croatia trip. And like the previous day, we had booked something amazing for this day too. For this, we had to start quite early from hotel, as our boat was around 7:45. Hotel staff were kind enough to pack the breakfast for us, which we enjoyed on the seashore before boarding the boat. From Split River, it was a 2 hours boat trip to see the Blue Cave. We had booked a tour to Blue Cave and 5 islands. Unlike the previous day's boat ride, this was a speedboat. We had total 14 people, including 2 crew members of the boat. On this day, we made some new Indian friends too. There are varieties of boats available, like open ones, closed ones, few boats having bike-like sitting arrangement. While traveling with kids, it's better to opt for closed ones. And that's what we did. 2 hours on the water, surrounded by scenic views, was just amazing. Finally, we reached Visovo Island, from where we had to shift into a small boat to go inside the Blue Cave. There was a waiting time of around 2 hours for us to go inside the cave, due to which we explored in and around of that island.
we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night.
It was a short ride to the cave, and the view inside the cave was amazing, as it looks all blue naturally. The entrance to the cave is so small that everyone needs to squeeze their head. Look at this tiny entrance to the cave.
Oh, something
Wow.
blue. Good.
Wow! Camel! Can we swim?
No, we can't swim here. Yes, please.
Let's swim!
The blue cave is 24 meters long, 15 meters high, and 16 meters deep. 1-6.
Inside the cave it was so beautiful blue color, and the intense of blue color depends on how bright sunny day it is. More sunlight outside, the more intense blue color it looks inside. But I felt it's a little overrated, as need to travel 2 hours, and then waiting period to enter the cave is 2 to 3 hours depending upon the crowd. Whereas you can be inside the cave only for about 5 minutes. Otherwise it was an amazing experience. At last, again we had to squeeze inside the boat to come out of that cave. So after this blue cave, we visited few more tiny islands.
Now the morning is
And at last, it was the time for Hawa Island. I'm not sure how to pronounce this island correctly, as internet says as Hawa, and people were saying there as Var.
it all again. We wanna chase the
Hawa is a Croatian island on the Adriatic Sea, which is known as the summer resort. It has 13th century walls, a hilltop fortress, cathedral, a tiny beach, and many more. To reach the fortress, need to climb up for about 10 to 15 minutes, but the view from the top is worth the hike. The view from the top was amazingly beautiful. There are beautiful cafes on this island.
summer sky. It was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young.
There are lovely sitting arrangements to sit, relax and enjoy the sunset on the seashore. After spending 4 days in Croatia, I can say the people here in Croatia are very friendly and nice. Starting from the hotel staff, taxi drivers, the crew member of the boat, people on the streets, everyone were so welcoming to the tourists. After this, we headed back to Split with that same speedboat, explored the roadside market a bit, did some souvenir shopping, and I can say we had an amazing trip to beautiful Croatia. We can cherish these memories for lifetime. I hope you like this video. If so, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I shall see you in my next video. Bye for now.